Alright guys, this is day 4 of Snowmageddon 2026. We're gonna go out and take us a little ride. We're gonna take a quick trip around the block. I'm gonna yap to y'all about a couple things while we go out and check how the snow's melting and check on the road conditions. First and foremost, I just want to say I hope everybody's out here being safe and staying warm. We've been stuck at the house for 4 days. I haven't been able to make it to work in the past 3 days, and I haven't quite made it to a full-time content creator status yet, but hopefully soon. My mom actually texted me and said that the county judge posted and said that they would not be sending plows down any of the county roads. So ours is just stuck looking like this. It's really slick, really rough. So hopefully with the next few days being warmer, that gets a little better and I'm able to get out. See, we're making it up to the end of the road here. And the roads are, like I said, really slick. You really just got to try to pick a rut and stay with it. I'm turning onto the main road here and I almost lose it. It's coming up. I gave it some gas and the back wheel just kind of spun out from under me. I was able to save it. Had to laugh it off a little bit. But yeah, the snowstorm hit us pretty hard down here. If I had the money and the people skill, honestly, I would run for judge. Because all the taxes we pay in, and we can't even get him to run a plow down the road, it's crazy to me. Luckily, we never lost the lights. That was the main thing I was worried about. Because we had enough food to last us for 2 weeks. I also want to touch up on future plans for the channel. I plan on doing another garden this year. As most of y'all know, I started out making gardening videos and then it went to grilling. And I do plan on grilling more too. It's just the weather has put kind of a hold on that kind of content. I also plan on doing more podcast type content, where I just sit and talk about things and answer some of y'all's questions. So leave me some questions in the comment or some statements to go over. That'd be appreciated. I also thought about doing more bike content, doing some upgrades to it. So let me know if that's something y'all would like to see. More riding content. I also have the shed out behind our house by the garden that I plan on cleaning up and converting into kind of like a studio / hangout / workshop. And I'll be recording while I do that too, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, like I said, just leave in the comments some questions for me to answer. Let me know what more kind of content you'd guys like to see, some things you guys like to see me cook. And I hope you guys are staying safe and warm out there. And until next time, God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one.